fat ass still is stuck in school again. Man.
Yo, he ain't coming. Let's go.
We ain't going nowhere without Steve.
This fat fuck.
Yo.
There you come. Hurry up, man.
Could ya?
Fat bastard.
Oh, shit.
Yo, what's up?
Come on, y'all.
What's up? You ain't
And refuse to get took down. A goddamn killer coming straight from the old town. Step out of line is mandatory. I hurt ya. My hobbies in life, what? Sex money, sex from your bitch. Money for the crack.
Yo, what time is it? How much money we make at the arcade today?
Count.
25. I bet. Let's go chill out some.
Yo! You see this shit? Check this shit out, man. I'll tell y'all about this, man. Yo, this shit is mine. Word up.
We gotta worry about running into Rodamans, and this nigga talking about some bullshit ass DJ content.
Bullshit, man. Yo, first prize is custom gold 1200. And a 6-month contract to DJ at the Rough House. Yo, it's better than running around with you niggas with this pool hall nickel and dime bullshit.
Yo, DJ Plaz, DJ Richie Rich, Pete Rock, and DJ Scratch gonna be there.
So what?
So, they the ones who won both of the contests last year.
That was the hot box, yo. Anybody could have won in that shit. We talking about the Rough House, you know what I'm saying? Comp is gonna be serious, and you know they ain't no greater comp than me. Oh, y'all ain't got no confidence in me now? Y'all supposed to be my boys, the crew?
Wake up, man. They been all over, man. Everybody know them. You just local.
Local? I'm just local nigga. Yo, kiss my local ass, you know what I'm saying?
Alright. Come on, kid. You're still my favorite local DJ.
Yeah, well, I want to go pick up some party tapes from the record rack for my audition tape. You know what I'm saying? That's all right with you, Raheem?
Yeah, man, sorry with me.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Hi, can I help you?
Yeah. Let me get your EPMD's new album and your name and your phone number.
Oh, okay. I can get you the tape. You want my name and my number?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's my name. Swaniqua Ross. And here's my number.
Why don't you put your address on it?
Oh, okay. Does this mean we're going out and you're picking me up?
Yeah. You got 3 friends?
Yeah.
Just like you.
I don't know. I'm kind of one of a kind, you know. What's your name?
My name is, Ed.
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 Eddie. Okay. So you're gonna call me?
Put that shit back.
Anytime. Anytime you want.
No, you're sexy.
Thank you.
It's a nice go-to for your mouth. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get another one.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm gonna cover up the whole front. When are we going out? Saturday?
Oh, no.
Sir? Sir? Sir, can I check that newspaper?
So can I follow you tonight?
Wait a second, sir. Sir, where are you going? Give me back my tape. You can't leave. I'm not paying for this tape, you know. It's not Christmas. Get a job, why don't you?
Play the sax.
Love to max. That's it.
All right, man, yo. I'm hungry. Let's go get someplace, get something to eat.
Yo, let's go to Steele's house. His mom's ain't home.
Nah.
Excuse me.
What? What she got in the refrigerator? She still got them turkey wings? Turkey wings?
No, man, she ain't been shopping, man.
Well, I believe we need to go over to your crib and just see what's in the fridge.
Nah. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, Q, man.
What's up?
Go in there and get me some cigarettes.
Why I gotta go get him?
Cause it's your turn, motherfucker. Now go on. No, hold on. I'll go get him.
Oh, man. That's cold.
Lucky son. Liz, man. What's up, man? What's going on? It's Q.
Yo, what's up, Q, man?
Yo, how you doing, man? It's good to see you, man.
I'm all right, man. Yo, how's your crew?
Yo, they outside waiting. Yo, what's up with you? Yo, when you got parole, man?
Yo, man, I just got paroled the other day, man.
That shit is cool, man. I hope you're taking care of yourself. Word up.
Come on, man. This Blizz. Of course I'm taking care of myself, man.
Hey, man, it's nice to see you, man.
Yeah, pardon me for a second. I'm about to rob this place.
Sir?
All right, everybody, put your hands in the air and face the fucking ball. Oh, shit. Don't look at me, goddammit. Hey, yo, Q, you want a piece of this?
Nah, man, I'm all right.
All right, everybody, take your fucking clothes off. Hurry up. Cause you look good.
As fat as you are, ain't no food in the house.
Yeah, she going shopping tonight. We can go over there.
Nah, we going today. We on our way.
Ah, thank you. Yo, Blizzard is in there right now, sticking the place up.
Word right now?
Right
He
now.
let you out?
Nigga asked me if I wanted a piece of the action.
And you said no?
Oh yeah, I said no, man.
What is you crazy? Yo,
I don't think so. Let me tell you something right now. That crazy motherfucker's going down, and I'm making for goddamn sure that none of us is going with it.
man, you know how much money is in there? Check there. We are in there, man. Let's just go.
I said no, man. That shit is out. Now, come on.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
But that was your woman.
Man, what you gonna do?